If you snore, you need to read these tips. Snoring is a common problem that affects many people. There are many causes of snoring. Many people are chronic snorers while others only snore occasionally. This video can help you understand the causes of snoring and what you can do to put a stop to snoring and restore peace in your home. If you regularly take prescription muscle relaxers or pain medications, you might be faced with chronic snoring. If at all possible, avoid taking these medications in the hours before you get ready for bed. These drugs cause your muscles to become more relaxed, especially in your airways. As a result, it becomes more difficult to breathe, which leads to snoring. If you want to stop snoring, talk to your dentist or physician about a mouth guard. The purpose of the guard is to keep your teeth together, and to ensure that the lower jaw muscles do not relax so much that your air passageways slacken, and snoring starts again. That's the last thing you want. Lose as much excess weight as possible. Extra weight does not just show up in your thighs, it can make your throat narrower. This can cause snoring and sleep apnea. Even a 10-pound loss can help open up the passageway in your throat. The more wide open it is, the better you will sleep. Stop smoking to stop snoring. When you inhale tobacco smoke into your lungs, irritants are produced that affect your airway and nasal membranes. The resulting inflammation causes your throat to narrow and contributes to your snoring. Try not to smoke before going to bed, or better yet, give it up altogether. As previously revealed, snoring affects all kinds of people. Some people are known to snore chronically while many others may only snore under certain conditions. Use the information and useful techniques from the above video to get relief from noisy, sleepless nights and put a stop to snoring for good. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.